Hello class, welcome to Geography 4185-5185, Week 8. The semester is sure moving along right now. This week we are doing a couple of major things. Number one, we are continuing our discussion of comparative tests. So that's worth mentioning. Just in sequence, in the organization of the course, we are in the midst of this discussion of comparative tests. So that's our class time for the week. The other thing I want to mention briefly is that we are having the second of two quizzes this week. I'm actually going to be holding just one formal class time this week. Our regular first meeting slot we'll have, and we will discuss a comparative test. The second time slot for our meeting, we're just leaving that open, and I want to give you time and space to get the quiz done, but also to catch up on any reading, review, note organizing, that kind of thing. I want you to feel prepared and ready and caught up for the rest of the semester. So we've got the single class meeting this week along with the quiz. So in the single class meeting this week, I just want to mention we are covering a single methodology, and that methodology is the chi-square test. So I'm excited about the chi-square test and discussing it with you simply because, number one, it's a non-parametric test, and as I often say, non-parametric tests tend to be a little underused, and so it's good for you and for me to review the characteristics of the chi-square test and just understand its use case. When should we be using it? What are its assumptions? And of course its assumptions are minimal, being a non-parametric test. So there's a bunch of good information that's bundled with that. I guess the other thing I'll just quickly mention, don't want to get into a whole lot of detail in this introduction to the week, but there are a number of cases that we can apply the chi-square test to. A 1 sample case, a 2 sample case, and a 3 or more sample case. So there's a lot of flexibility that's built into the chi-square test that we should know about and appreciate and be ready to use. So there's all that. So that's the meeting for this week. Our formal class discussion will be covering the chi-square test, and like I say, we've got quiz number 2 this week, and we'll continue on from there. So thanks for being along. Take care. I'll see you in class. Bye now.